Welcome to another episode of Dancehall Critics, and today it is really exciting because I want to talk about Alkaline new diss track for Popcaan, Death to Microwave. It's like him fuck up microwave and then him a fuck it up back some more. People are Dancehall Critics, and we're going to get a little breakdown and some insights and some different scope into the new diss track here and just kind of where the whole thing, the whole controversy and war sway towards. People are Dancehall Critics. As I was in the process of making a review about Popcaan taking a long time to respond to Alkaline, and also in that same review I was gonna make that Alkaline take too long for answer to Tommy Lee and don't want to answer to Tommy Lee. Come for find out, me say boom, new track, new diss track make for Papi. And Papi they even make another one yet. People wanna tell me, a Dancehall Critics, you know, I wanna tell me what you think about them or something here. You think say him hold up to film in the bargain as far as that Dan manship there and that bad man something that we proclaim. Papi me attack. See? Because right now it look to me very obvious that Alkaline is the man. People me never go waste too much time for, you know me I say, you know, carry on with a rant and them thing there. Cause it over. What you think? You think the war over you know? Or you think Popcaan still a go come in for try defend him position? Or what you think? Tell me what you think. Cause yo, the lyrics them in other new tune here. Direct, boy up, big man thing, mature. You saw me I say? Pan the next level. Bad, well lyrical. See? So I could see, oh, Popcaan come. I say, the regular one will say, yo, microwave, you know. That did mash up Popcaan, you know. And then that one you come sink him even more. And where the blood clot this. When I say Popcaan is the new Meek Mill of Jamaica. And Alkaline is the new Drake. What a rascal irony. Eh? People wanna tell me. Yo, watch out. Check this out. Alkaline.
Why freeze like saying get a vision? So in the girl you play a pigeon.
So another line of people, Alkaline and say boy man give him time and him freeze up to blood clot for answer him. What you think? Tell me if I true no? Bumbo clad Papi dead. What you think man? A Dancehall Critics, you know? Tell me what you think people. Cause right now the war even hot. You saw me I say? Tell me what you think people. Cause we even in Lula and no Ray. Blood clotted intense. And this also leave with to think to you know people. Why make a only Papi him a show in so much damaging, you know me I say, shot pan. Him just a done him. And him nah answer to blow massacre. Him nah answer to, or him nah make no diss track for massacre, or him nah make no diss track for, oh, what the next person? How much people him a worried man? Savage. Mere Savage I'll make song. Who else, not even say him a worried. Who else I try to throw jabs at him lyrically in a different song. And them thing there. Popcaan, yo, Tommy Lee, the man now answer Tommy Lee to blood clot. You saw me I say? So people wanna tell me, or wanna tell me if him a try address the rest of the component, opponent there, you about component. Hey, don't laugh after me. Address the rest of opponent them in another line here. Check it.
Now said nobody feel like don't have mission. Kill every bumbo rascal opposition.
So people tell me what you think. You think say boy him just use just a little one line there for just damage the whole of them where I talk them up a fuckery. But the one dog you will see him for, you know me I say I go on bad. And him finally draw out Popcaan. So him a do him up bad. And Popcaan diss him from year start. And him answer him right back. And thus the whole saga continue. And it a get nicer. Cause it a get nice, it a get nice. And when I say I come for talk. Hey people are Dancehall Critics to them. I'm gonna tell me what you think about that line that Alkaline showing I'm new song. Death to Microwave. So if you had insult to injury or even just to make matters worse. More wanna tell me what Alkaline mean when he show the rascal jab ya in a line, in another line or a particular part of the song ya. See? More wanna check it. See?
So them a meds wrong, you can think of competition.
So does that mean say him a say boy Popcaan and meds wrong for come try compete with him on fit him level when him a the real bad man, the real Vendetta boss? Even though my unruly god, unruly kingpin, how you go? Him not bad too. But who bad are people? What wanna think? Wanna think say boy the Vendetta boss I deal with the thing wicked? Wicked. I think a far out Popcaan. Way out. Far out. But why Popcaan takes so long for answer the man people? I that more I know. What you think? You think him choke? As my boy I say? What you think people? Tell me. Cause but even love how man just a boy up Popcaan and I deal with him away. Cause right now I feel like a sabotage this, a battering this. A slaughter. Back to back. Like a Drake. Oh God, man. A dancehall critics, you know. So the man even go further for, you know me I say, boy up the man and lick him up. And belittle him. You saw me I say? And fuck up all the man's street credit. Cause right now, me not lie. Personally speaking, dancehall critics personally speaking, I feel like Popcaan street creds is at stake at this moment or point in time. And more listeners them for chime in or come drop a comment and you saw me I say don't forget to subscribe to Zine and come make me know what go on. Tell me what you think about all that little thing. See? I mean I make you hear where Alkaline, you know me I say boy the man say him give him all a blood clot weak and the man never have give people them the fans them nothing fit. What wanna people pre it.
You get a week, coming like a week out. Couldn't give the people them nothing fit to eat. But them a laugh.
You saw me I talk about people. The man said couldn't give the people them nothing fit to eat. But what you think? You think that's true? Big man thing, me nah lie. A long time I wait for a blood clear response from Popcaan since my boy they dropped the microwave. To keep the thing going or flowing. Or maybe Popcaan counter argument can be the song where him drop with Quadadan and another dog. I forgot where dog name. You saw me I say? Me no know if other song they would have been accredited to a continuous back-to-back type of flow for Popcaan. But me no really me no see that. You saw me I say we are talking about direct hit. You see me? So, more uno for tell me what uno think about that whole thing. Yeah. What uno think about that little part? The man get a week. You don't think week is a good enough time? And the man even not call him out on that? Oh God, man. Not to mention how the man all say, oh, I'm like a girl, him daughter, him worried about because of how him basically I say my murder and whole I'm family. You saw me I say? And right now Popcaan don't say nothing. You see me? But maybe today, later on today, Popcaan might say something still. Because if no man, it out of hand then if him not say nothing by today. Today can't pass and Popcaan respond or react to the back-to-back, the Drake move. Or else Popcaan is gonna be officially the Meek Mill, a yard, dancehall music. And Alkaline I go undoubtedly run away with the tune like Drake. You saw me I say? So people more wanna tell me, you know. You see me? More wanna tell me, you know. More wanna come tell me. Leave a comment. A dancehall critics, you know, man, and we are going to keep the thing afloat.
People are sent us to this place till I talk about a little case. Not talk about murder case. Big mother will our press some good dung.
Yo, what that mean, people? More want to tell me what that mean. See? What that mean when say, yo, people are talk about, they've not talk about no murder case, a petty case them are talk about. What that mean? See, what them say, what them try say? Them try discredit the man badmanship and say man a murderer. What them try say? A dancehall critics, you know. I'm want to come tell me, leave a comment and tell me what you think. The man even added further, you know. Saying, for this up all, the man mother, his whole family. Saying, and add one little piece will make it even wickeder. I want you to tell me if you agree or not. See, one time the man mentioned a part, watch it.
Not talk about murder case. You mother will our breast some good down for knee. Fall to the sky, sell take him please. Find my cow if they do not key and peace. It's the wrong man and end up off it pay feet.
One thing, people. One thing say Popcaan really a pay feet to them double hit ya, back to back like with Drake do Meek Mill. Is Popcaan really the new Meek Mill of Jamaican dancehall music? And ironically, is Alkaline now Drake will fire back to back shot and a double hit? You saw me I say, I want to know how Popcaan are going to recover from that one. I want to come tell dancehall critics how Popcaan are going to recover from them double hit here. Maybe later you are going to see something from Popcaan because Papi have to respond. He have to direct him response and bad up the thing. Because I him name Papi. You saw me I say, I want to come tell me, man. Tell me. You saw me I say, I'm going to play one another little piece because you know how serious Alkaline is about the war. Check it.
You could public mischief, you know? Gunshot and bitch. They can't run. Pussy me give permission to use new level line, right? They can't run. Pussy is dead. Vendetta se come my egg. What am I talking about? Like this. I got my style, man.
Wanna think? What wanna think? Boy, the whole of that tune is bad from start to finish. I don't know if a Vendetta go rule the world. Right? I don't know if a Goliath will come rise up. Right now look like Vendetta lead. I don't know if Gaza will come take over. See? I don't know if all I little copycat them and they look alike them and they sound alike them will come take over. But even though them even categorize Alkaline in one of them category there too. But right now Alkaline surpass all of them little critics there. Because if you don't see how the man put him lyrics them together, you saw me I say, and orchestrate the thing and fire him shot them direct and how him for put it. Him man dash in him pun them and him metaphor them and him simile them and him different sitting them effectively in him sang them. We don't have to pre-thing right now, we have to be honest. Hats off. I have to give it to Alkaline. You saw me I say? Cause you see me when you see a man do great, you just have to come in a man upon him greatness for real.
Yeah, man.
And we can't be biased. You see me? The youth hard. And we don't have nothing more to say but that. You see me I say? And I don't know. One thing Papi can recover. Cause Papi had dads, you know. You see me? Papi having respect, man. You see me? One thing, people, a dancehall critics, you know, and please remember to subscribe to the channel, you know, man. You see me I say? While we take it away.